Skeptical open mind, skeptical open mind. I got to confess you one thing, yeah.
Sure. What happened,
I
sir?
watched one of those free energy videos again on YouTube. Yes, I did. I watched again.
Again? Which one now?
It's one of those, classic Indiani or Pakistani with hot glue, magnet. Yeah, the classic one, clickbaiter. I did watch
You know
it.
that not all the Indians and Pakistani are bad people.
I know,
They just make fake videos
but at this
on
time,
YouTube.
I think it's the real one. Yeah.
What?
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of I Make Free Energy for you guys on YouTube. So it seems like it doesn't really matter how many free energy videos I debunk. There is always a new sucker born every day that unfortunately falls for it, and I keep watching these free energy videos so it gets brainwashed. So far we've been looking at the classic clickbaiter one with a classic LED light bulb. Why would you pick an LED? LED much more efficient. Well, LEDs are much smaller. LEDs takes less energy than a classic filament light bulb. That's why normally we hide some batteries inside to show the trick. So along with it, you grab a magnet and you grab a coil and you pretend that it's the magnet and the coil to generate electricity, when in reality we have the batteries inside. But in our next video, it's actually really interesting. This guy uses a classic filament light bulb. So that's, it makes it quite, I won't say impossible, but very difficult to hide batteries in here and eventually show that we have some free energy just for clickbaiting. But without losing any time, let's go take a look at such a video. Did you see how much free energy with this simple light bulb, magnet and a coil? Yeah, I recognize the light bulb. It's a classic 12 volts for automotive use. So that ranges between 20 and 60 watts of power. That's quite a lot of energy for a simple stationary magnet over a coil. Not even close to generate any kind of electricity. However, this video generated over 1 million views. Yes, of course. However, today we're going to replicate the experiment and eventually show the trick once again. Stay tuned. Free energy, free energy, free energy. It's easy to make free energy once I show you guys the trick, so everyone can do it. So there are millions of tricks and ways to hide batteries and power source. Today I'm gonna mention at least 2 of them. The first one, it's hide your cables under the table, yes. Hide the cables, hide the cables, hide the batteries and the power source. So this is the second trick, actually the second and last for the day. It's cut your video frame, cut your video frame, cut your video frame. It's the easiest way to do these free energy videos. Yes, a simple trick everyone can do, even with a simple video editor such as Movie Maker. Yes. Cut the video frame right before you're about to turn on your light bulb. Yes, cut the video frame so people still believe that, you know, once you show everything, no trickery, then eventually it's time to cut the frame. So, once again, you get tricked out. Well, thank you guys for watching, and for sure see you in the next video of free energy.